In one word, what this course for me is like, I would say opportunity.
Fun.
Amazing.
Fun.
Collaboration.
Supportive.
Yeah.
Very supportive.
Enlightening.
Team bonding and like just a fun experience. I found new dances that I absolutely love now because I'm able to learn different ones. It's super cool to learn about other dances that you would typically learn about at like a studio.
I've got to learn and experience where most dances come from, where I just used to dance it. Being able to be with like your friends or make new friends.
Just being able to connect with other people who love dance as much as me. Create something that's meaningful to us and to share to the whole class.
Ballet dance was really good.
Hip hop then is the best. I don't like before. I don't have like a skills for that, but now it's kind of easy for me because of this course.
There are amazing people we've had come in from out of town who are world famous dancers.
I enjoyed the breakdancing because I just find it was really fun and you could let loose and you didn't have to be perfect doing it.
I enjoyed the hoop dancing because like we would never get to learn that style of dance anywhere else.
You don't have to have experience because that's what you're here for, is to learn. Take it. I would say take it. It's a really good experience.
This is a one-time opportunity for you to take this class, and it can teach you what you don't know about dance and the course itself.